Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Edward Jones account, fast access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Edward Jones. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Edward Jones homepage. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated area. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you want to remain logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once everything is filled out correctly, click the Login button. Wait a moment while your account information loads. You should now be logged into your Edward Jones account. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your login details if necessary. Now you can access your Edward Jones account and manage your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.